Hi everybody, welcome to Bake It Simple. Today we are going to be making the Harry Potter DIY Cocoa Bombs. Here are the nutrition facts, and these are the instructions that we will be following. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see what we got here in the box. Okay, so we have here some milk chocolate wafers, some house sprinkles, that sounds fun, and some mini marshmallows. You cannot have hot chocolate without mini marshmallows, so I am glad they included that. And last but not least, we have a star silicone mold, which is pretty cool because even after we're done making the hot chocolate bombs, we can use this to make some other cool desserts. As soon as I'm done taking this chocolate out of the bag-in-box, I'm putting it into a small bowl. Then I'm microwaving it for 30 seconds at a time until it is completely melted. So the instructions say the temperature of the chocolate needs to be 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm a little over. So I just put it on the counter and I let it cool, and then I was good to go. I start with a tablespoon, I'd say, of chocolate in the mold, and then I use a pastry brush, which is what I was told to do, and I just started to smooth around, but it was feeling uncomfortable and wasn't really working good because my pastry brush is pretty big. So I just went ahead and switched it for the back of a small spoon, and that worked very well. So now that I got all the chocolate spread evenly, I have to pop this into the freezer for 10 minutes. To give you an idea of how much I used, well, this is how much I have left. So the chocolate has all set up, and now I have to go around the rim of the mold to make sure it's thick enough so it doesn't break apart when I attach them in a few minutes. And voila, all the rims have been coated in chocolate. Time to pop it back in the freezer for a few minutes. Okay, few minutes is over. They've all set up and it's time to take them out. I was pretty worried, but I took my time and it came out pretty fine. Just look at the beautiful result. So I've preheated a pan, which I'm going to use to lightly melt the edges of the chocolate. This is to give me a smooth finish to look good and to be easier to seal in the end. So I'm filling the stars. The sides that I did just melt, those are the ones I'm filling. I put some marshmallows in it, and then I put some sprinkles. And the sprinkles are just so cute. I love sprinkles. And I really like the little lightning ones. So I got back the hot pan, and then I put the other half of the star in it. I melted around, and then I pressed it on the other half. There we go, and it is all sealed shut. Somehow I got a sprinkle in there, but it's fine. Now it is the part that I've been waiting for, actually making the hot chocolate and drinking it. So I put my cocoa bomb into the cup, and then I slowly pour over 6 ounces of hot milk. So the milk slowly melts the chocolate, and then like magic, the marshmallows appear in the sprinkles. Although I can't really see any sprinkles, and that seems like a very cheap amount of marshmallows. I think we need to add some more. So I'm gonna give this a quick stir and then take a sip. This is super delicious. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, marshmallowy, all the things hot chocolate should be. Thanks for watching.